Okay, this is the case of Brady versus Jeter. Brady, did you tear up the Christmas presents? Did you do that? Or was that your sister? That was your sister, you're telling me? Would you lie to me? Brady? Would you lie to me? You wouldn't lie to me, would you? Okay. Give me your paw. I, Brady, do solemnly swear. Give me your paw. To tell the truth. Give me your paw. The whole truth and nothing but the truth. So help me God. Brady, come here. Come here. I swear, Daddy, that was my sister and not me that tore up the Christmas presents under the tree. Do you confirm this? Wag your tail if yes. Okay. The jury will reach their verdict. You're free to leave. Get down.